The coronavirus can spread through respiratory droplets, which are liquids that may come out when you cough or sneeze. Respiratory droplets can land in your nose or mouth. It could also land in your face, and the next time you touch your face and then rub your nose or mouth, you can get infected. And for this reason, the World Health Organization has recommended that it is very important to avoid close contact with anyone who has fever or cough or any other respiratory symptoms. In practical terms, the WHO recommends to maintain a meter distance, which is about 3 feet, from a person who is sick. Also, they said to avoid kissing, hugging, and shaking hands with people who have these symptoms. And in case if you have to look after a person who has fever, cough, or any other respiratory symptoms, do not forget to wear a mask, and in particular, to practice good hand hygiene.